Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into it, guys. Well, in this video, I'm gonna go over the Bitcoin update, guys, XRP and XLM update, and also talk about a little bit about the ETH BTC breakdown that's going on, guys. All right, guys, let's get right into it. But first, let's start off with the crypto bubbles. See how the whole crypto currency market's doing. It looks like it's a 50-50 green today and 50-50% are red today. Looks like there's a lot of volatility in the market, guys. What that's expected in the bull run market, guys. Expect a lot of volatility. A lot of coins are gonna moon and then they're gonna correct and they're gonna go up and correct different coins at different times, guys. Let's see what the biggest gainers for the day is. One of the channel's favorite is XLM. It's up 34% for the day. XRP was the biggest gainer a little bit ago, but it's still not bad at 14% for the day. It did get as high as $1.30 on some exchanges. It's corrected all the way down right now to about a dollar and I believe like $1.04 at the time of recording right now. Yeah, so a lot of coins are mooning, guys. But after they moon, they have nice correction. So definitely look out for the volatility, guys. Well, let's get right into it, guys. Let's get into the Bitcoin update real quick. Um, Bitcoin current price at the time of recording is $90,364 at the time of recording. Basically, it's going sideways, guys. We did make that local top on November 13 of 93,494. It's just been going sideways, between 93,494 and 86,000, but it's still making higher lows, guys. So the trend is still bullish. So we got to keep trading with the trend because the trend is our friend until the end. So I still see higher price. I still expect higher prices for Bitcoin, guys. Don't listen to the FUD out there. If you hear people telling you or the media telling you that the bull market's over, that Bitcoin is gonna crash, that this is the top, that it's gonna be a short-lived bull market. That's not the case, guys. Because Bitcoin is just consolidating until the next leg up. I do believe I've already explained it in other videos, but I do believe Bitcoin is going to keep rallying until about Thanksgiving Day, about November 28, November 29, give or take a few days. It's going to rally up to about $120,000, give or take a few dollars. But for sure, it's going to be above $100,000 on Thanksgiving days, guys. And then once the first rally is finished around Thanksgiving Day or a few days afterwards, it is going to have a nice 20 to 30% correction. So if Bitcoin is around 120,000 around November 29, and it starts correcting, its 30% correction would be about 30% of 120,000 would be about 30,000 less. So it would go down to somewhere around like $90,000, give or take a few dollars, right around there, guys. So do expect Bitcoin to top off right around Thanksgiving Day, maybe a few days after, maybe all the way up to like December 1st, December 2nd. But somewhere between Thanksgiving Day, November 28th, and December 2nd, I do expect the Bitcoin rally to have its first top, and it's going to do like a 30% correction. And then it'll consolidate some more and then go for the next leg up, guys. But I do not see the Bitcoin bull run being over anytime soon. I do see a major top coming in sometime in mid-March to April 15. And then we're gonna do like a major correction then. But it's probably gonna consolidate and then do a last move up to do a final top in September 2025. So basically, I see the top of the bull run for Bitcoin coming in September 2025. And I do see the Bitcoin price being somewhere around 150K to 250K. Now, when we get to mid-March, March 15 to April 15, when it has a major correction, maybe like a 50% correction, we'll have to keep a close eye. That might be the final top. If that happens, we might start going into the bear market. But I don't think so. I think most likely we'll do a consolidation after we correct from March 15 to April 15, we'll do a deep correction, about a 50% correction. I think we'll consolidate and go up, to do a final top in September 2025. But we have to keep, as traders, we got to keep all possibilities open. There is a small chance that the Bitcoin top comes in March or April 2025. But I think most likely it'll come in September 2025. But we as traders, we just gotta keep looking at the chart, keep looking at the data, and see what happens. So we'll keep an eye on Bitcoin, and keep making videos every day. So just stay tuned to the channel, and I'll let you guys know as we get more data in, guys. So yeah, so right now my next target for Bitcoin on the short term is 94,000. We might consolidate here another day or two, and then we'll probably surpass 94,000. And after we break 94,000, my next target after that is 98,000. But don't be fooled. We are going to see higher prices for Bitcoin, and I do believe by Thanksgiving, Bitcoin price is going to be somewhere between 100,000 and 120,000, guys. And then it'll do a correction, like a 20 to 30% correction after it makes a top around Thanksgiving or a few days after that, guys. So yeah, so keep an eye on Bitcoin, guys. Now let's get into another channel's favorite, XRP. Let's see what the current price right now. Current price at the time of recording is $1.02. It did get as high as $1.30 on some exchanges. Here on TradingView, it says the high was around $1.27. So around $1.27, $1.30 is the current local top for XRP. It has corrected all the way down to basically this is the lowest price right now, about $1.02. So we're correcting $1.02. But I don't think it'll go much lower than $1, guys. I do believe it'll stay above $1. It'll probably consolidate above $1, make a base, and then get ready for the next move up. I do believe XRP is going to keep rallying all the way up to sometime in November 24 or a few days after that, because that's what it has done in the past. And I do believe XRP is going to be about $1.50 by November 24, guys. It's going to keep rallying. It's going to pass $1.50, maybe even $1.60, right around there between a 150 and 160. It's going to rally, and then it'll have then it'll have a good size correction. It'll have a big correction, like a 30-40% correction, guys. Because in the past, let me show you guys. Let me pull up this other XRP chart I have up. Let me go to November 20. That way you can see what it did last cycle, guys. Because I think XRP is mimicking last cycle. The movements and the price movements are very, very similar to the 2020-2021 cycle. But I do think this time it is going to go into price discovery. Last 2020-2021 cycle, it didn't go into price discovery because it got cut short by Gary Gensler and the SEC with the Ripple SEC case. But this time, since Donald Trump is going to be the president in this 2025 bull run, I do believe XRP is going to go into price discovery and break its all-time high of $3.35. And I do see XRP topping off somewhere around like $15. But if Bitcoin does reach around 250K or above, I do see XRP topping off around $24. But $15 my price target for XRP this bull run cycle. But let me here's the November 2020 cycle. See, here's November 5. Basically, that's the elections. That was when the elections for November 5th, 2020 came in. See, XRP was bullish, just like in the 2024 right here. If you look at November 5th, very bullish, and it, right now it just kept going up. Now in the 2020 cycle, back to the 2020 cycle, see, it went up from November 5th, and the low price on November 5th was about 22 cents, and it rallied for 19 days, all the way to November 24, 2020. It rallied all the way up to 82 cents. So it did over 200%, so did over 200%, so that's why I believe XRP is gonna be above $1.50. this time around, because if you see, here November 5th, the price was around like 50 cents at the low price, 50 cents. So if it does over 200%, it's going to be 100% would be $1. So 200% would be $1.50. So I believe by the November 24, right here in the black space, right around here, we're going to be about $1.50. So that would be like in about 9 days, guys. In about 9 days or 8 days, because right now we're in the trading day of 17. So in about 8 days, about 8 days or so, 7 days, whatever the math is. We're gonna be basically on November 24th. Will be around $1.50, guys. Because again, on the 2020-21 cycle, that's what happened, guys. The XRP price went from let me get back to it here. Went from 22 cents all the way up to 82 cents here on November 24th. So did over a 200x. I mean a 200%. So over a 2x, guys. So and then look what happened though. Once November 24 hit, it made that local top of 82 cents, and it had a deep correction. It corrected all the way down to 16 cents, guys. So it did over like a 50% correction, guys. That was like a massive correction. But I think they did that correction because it was suppressed because of the the Ripple SEC case. So it was really suppressed. I don't think the correction is going to be that low. I mean, like from 82 cents to 60 cents, that's like a 70% correction, right around there. This time I think it'll do like a less correction, maybe like a 50% correction tops. But it does crash hard, guys. But then it'll rally again, guys. So this time, once it gets to like $1.50, $1.60, it might correct all the way down to 75 cents, and and then it'll rally to higher highs after that, guys. So expect the correction right around November 24th for XRP, guys. But for now, I do see on the short term we're gonna keep rallying to about $1.50, $1.60, and we'll top off somewhere around November 24, guys. Now let's get into XLM, guys. Another one of the channel's favorites here. Current price of XLM at the time of recording is 19 cents. It did get as high as 24 cents. Let me see. Is it? Oh, this is the right one. Oh no, here we go. Here's the right chart. Yep. So current price of XLM is 19 cents. It did get as high as 24 cents earlier today, and then it's corrected all the way down to basically 19 cents right now. So that I believe probably it won't go lower than 18 cents. It's probably going to make a base right now between like 18, 19 cents. This is probably the current low, the local low for XLM. It's going to make its base, and then it's going to consolidate, and it's going to rally up to higher prices at 24 cents, guys. It's just like XLM is XRP's little brother. But it doesn't mean it's gonna any less than XRP. When I say little brother, I don't mean it's any less than XRP. I mean I think they're both great projects. Some people like XRP more than XLM, and some people like XLM more than XRP. I like both. I like both the same, guys. To me, they're equals. I'm invested in both projects, guys. I just call it the little brother because usually XRP moves first, and then XLM follows. Just like a little brother, follows his big brother around, and that's what happened, guys. XRP, moved first, and it started mooning first, and then a day later, XLM followed, and then it mooned. Everybody thought XLM was not going to do anything, but it followed XRP the day after, and it mooned all the way up to 24 cents. That's why I call XLM the little brother of XRP, because the day after or short term, once XRP moons, a little bit after, XLM follows and moons. That's why I call XLM a little brother of XRP. So yeah, guys. So XLM is going to consolidate, but the same as XRP. I think it's going to consolidate, and it's going to keep rallying all the way to like November 25. Like a day after XRP, because XLM is usually a day behind XRP. So XLM is going to keep rallying until like November 25th. Basically once you see XRP top off, a day after is when XLM is going to top off, and it's probably going to top off somewhere, like around like 27 cents. I do think it's gonna do a 200% move or more from the low of November 5th, which was about 9 cents. So 9, 18, 27. So it'll probably be above 27 cents, somewhere between 27 and 30 cents is where I expect XLM to top off, and then it's going to have a correction too. I don't think the correction will be as big as the XRP correction, but it's going to have like a nice 20 to 30% correction. Now let me pull up the 2020-21 cycle here on XLM to show you how it basically did the same thing as XRP in the 2020-21 cycle. How it just a rally for like 3 weeks or a little bit under 3 weeks, and then it had a correction, guys, and then it consolidated, and then before it went into higher prices. But XLM was also suppressed last cycle. It didn't break its all-time high of 93 cents in the 2017 cycle. It only got up to 73 cents. But I do believe that this time XRP and XLM are gonna break their current all-time highs and go into price discovery, guys. So here's the 2021 cycle. Here's November 5th, the day of the elections. If you see, it was like right around 7 cents, and then started mooning all the way up to made the local top on November 25th, one day after XRP made its local top on November 20, 24, November 24, November 20. Like I said, XLM is always one day behind XRP, like a little brother. But I love them both, guys. I love them both. To me, they're equals. I love them both. I have both XLM and XRP, guys. So yeah, guys, so it went from 7 cents all the way up to 23 cents. So it did like over a 200% gain. So it's gonna do over 2x. So that's why I think XLM is gonna do this cycle too. But if you notice, after November 25th of 2020, it corrected all the way down from 23 cents to 10 cents. It did like over a 50% correction, and then consolidated, and then went into make all-time highs again. No, well, not all-time highs, but it went, it did higher prices. So that's what I think is going to happen in this current XLM cycle, guys. It's going to do over 200% gain from the lows of November 5th of 9 cents. And it's going to do, above 27 cents, somewhere between 27 and 30 cents. It got close. It already got to 24. It corrected all the way to 19. I think it's going to consolidate here for a few days, maybe a day or two or three. And then before November 25th, it's going to rally all the way up to 27 cents, maybe 30 cents. And this time it might even be more. Maybe XRP and XLM rally more than 200% this time because, they're not being suppressed this time. I'm just being conservative. I'm just saying expect XLM to be at least 27 to 30 cents by November 25th. But if for some reason, they're a lot higher, don't be surprised because, since the Gary Gensler is basically going to get fired or he's going to resign here by the time Donald Trump takes office. I do also have a case where where XLM and XRP might even be higher prices. They might even do more than a 200% gain on this first run up, guys. But for sure, they're gonna do at least a 200% run on this first rally. So XLM, I do expect XLM to rally around 27 to 30% right around November 25th, and I expect XRP to rally somewhere around $1.50 to $1.60 on November 24th, guys. So November 24th is I expect XRP to be right around $1.50, $1.60, guys. So yeah, stay bullish on Bitcoin, stay bullish on XRP, and stay bullish on XLM, guys. They're gonna all three of them are gonna run hard this cycle. There's nothing stopping Bitcoin. Everybody loves Bitcoin. Everybody loves XLM and XRP. And with I believe with Gary Gensler out and the new changes coming into the U.S. government, I think that it's gonna be more pro crypto. So I think XRP and XLM are gonna run hard. They were suppressed. They've been suppressed for the last 7 years, ever since 2018. So they made their last local top. XRP made its local high of its all-time high of $3.35, and XLM made its all-time high of 93 cents. They made it in the beginning of 2018. So, they've been suppressed for 2018, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 for 7 years, guys. So, it's been building up. XRP and XLM have been coiling up. So I think they're gonna run hard this cycle. My For XRP, my target price is around $15, and if Bitcoin reaches 250K or higher, then I do see XRP running all the way up to $24. And for XLM, my target price for XLM is around $3 for this cycle. But if if Bitcoin does reach 250K or higher, I do see XLM getting to around $5, guys. So those are my target prices for XLM. That's what I'm doing. You guys do you. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't buy or sell any coin because I say so. Do your own research and only invest in the markets where you're willing to lose, guys. So, yep. All right, guys. I also want to talk to you guys about the Ethereum, the ETH BTC. A lot of traders, a lot of people are worried that Ethereum is dead. They're saying that Ethereum's dying a slow death because the ETH BTC trend is breaking down. It's been a trend line for 8 years. Here, let me show you. Basically, this trend line here for the ETH BTC chart, has been holding for the last 8 years, and I guess it's breaking down. It's just recently it broke the trend line. Just because Bitcoin has been rallying harder, and Ethereum hasn't rallied that hard yet. So a lot of people are thinking that Ethereum is not going to run that hard. I'll give you my thoughts on it right now, but let me read this real quick for you guys. See what these people are saying. So it says Ether could drop another 50% against Bitcoin by the end of 2024 after entering a technical breakdown setup. Ethereum's native token, ETH, recently slipped below its longest-serving support legal. Let me read that again. Ethereum's native token, Ethereum, ETH, recently slipped below its longest-serving support level against Bitcoin, leading top analysts to conclude that it's dying a slow death. So it looks like Ether breaks support that once prompted an 1,800% rebound. Notably, the ETH BTC pair broke below the ascending trendline support that has coincided with its market bottom since 2016. That includes the pair's 300% rebound between December 2020 and December 2021, and an 1,800% recovery between January 2017 and May 2017. So, however, in November 2024, Ethereum bulls could not defend the support, with the ETH BTC dropping by around 15% below it, accompanied by a rise in trading volumes. In technical analysis, losing the support level, especially amid increasing trading activity, indicates strong selling pressure, meaning ETH BTC may decline further in the coming weeks. So basically, people are saying that Ethereum is dying a slow death, guys. Well, just because it's breaking down from a trend line. I mean, I just think it's gonna take Ethereum a little bit longer, to rally. I mean, what were people saying about XRP and XLM? Oh, XRP is dead, XLM is dead. They're stable coins, and look at them now. They're starting to rally. They've been suppressed for a long time, but now they're definitely poised to break all-time highs, guys, and I think they will. So I think the same thing is going on with Ethereum, guys. They're trying to suppress Ethereum. The media, they're trying to tell people, oh, Ethereum is dead, so that way you don't invest in Ethereum or its ecosystem. And then before you know it, Ethereum's going to start running, and so is the ecosystem. And you're going to miss out on the mega gains. So don't listen to the FUD out there, guys. There's nothing wrong with Ethereum or its ecosystem. It might just take them a little bit longer to run. Just like the Bitcoin ETF, there's also an Ethereum ETF. So once people can't afford the Bitcoin ETF, once it starts moving and it gets higher prices and returns are going to be less, they're going to be looking to Ethereum ETF where there's going to be more returns, guys. That's what they do. That's how the bull run cycle goes, guys. Everybody invests into Bitcoin first because it's always the first to rally, and then there's always going to be certain altcoins that pop off and off. That's just how the market is. But then after once Bitcoin tops off, um, everybody's going to invest in Ethereum, and that's when Ethereum is going to start rallying, guys, in the Ethereum ecosystem. So that's why Ethereum is not rallying right now, guys, because everybody's pouring their money into Bitcoin. Um, but once everybody pulls their money out of Bitcoin, they're gonna put it into Ethereum and the Ethereum ecosystem, and that's when Ethereum's gonna start running, and that's when all the Ethereum ecosystem layer twos are gonna start running. Like all the all the base coins, all the Jasmine layer twos, XCN, Myria, Optimism. I mean, you name them out there. There's a lot of layer twos out there for Ethereum. And Base is on Ethereum. Base is a layer two in Ethereum. You can't fade Base. It's the Coinbase blockchain. So definitely very popular. A lot of volume. Aerodrome Finance. Brett Meme Coin. That's why you haven't seen Aerodrome Finance and Brett and Jasmine and XCN start moon yet, because Ethereum is not mooning yet, guys. Once Ethereum starts mooning, guys, then Jasmine Coin, XCN, all the base coins, Aerodrome Finance, Brett, the #1 meme coin on Base, they're gonna start mooning too, guys. So it's just a matter of time, guys. Once everybody, right now it's a Bitcoin show. Everybody's gonna putting their money in Bitcoin because they know it's gonna run. And then once they pull out their money out of Bitcoin, they put it into Ethereum, and then that's when Ethereum will start running, and all the Ethereum ecosystems are going to start running too, guys. All the layer twos and are going to start running on Ethereum as well, guys. So if you still have some dry powder on the side, and you missed the Bitcoin rally, and you missed the XRP rally, and you missed the XLM rally, it might be a good time to invest in Ethereum or Ethereum layer 2, guys. Like Jasmine Coin, XCN, the base coins, Brett, Meme Coin, Aerodrome Finance, because they're gonna start running pretty soon too, guys. All right, guys. So yeah, don't think that that Ethereum is dead, guys. Don't listen to the FUD out there, guys. It's just gonna take a little bit longer because right now it's the Bitcoin show and it's the XRP XLM show. And then once people pull the money out of Bitcoin, they're gonna put it into Ethereum, guys. So don't think that Ethereum is dead, because it's definitely not, guys. All right, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Stay bullish in the market. Stay bullish on Bitcoin, XRP, XLM, Ethereum, and the Ethereum ecosystem. It's gonna be a great bull run, guys. And stay tuned to the channel, and I'll have updates every day, guys. Alright, guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel. This Top Crypto Bull signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.